to Good Day. So you see them everywhere, especially in the summer. Big machines that tear up pavement, dig giant holes, and move a lot of dirt.
I mean, it's construction season, yes. So we need to get up close and personal with the big machines this weekend. So Imagination Station Experience Manager Amanda Miller is here. Got all the details. Morning.
Hello.
Tell me what we got going on.
Yeah, so with our big machines, we are also going to be playing in some dirt or some sand. And so I figured we'd bring some sand castles to kind of build. And this is going to be one of the many activities we have going on, along with the 9 machines that are going to be outside our building, which is going to be so fun.
Hold on, what do you mean 9 machines outside your building?
Yeah, so we're going to have a bulldozer, we're going to have a crane, we're going to have 9 different awesome equipment thanks to Kokosing. They're going to come down, bring it all, and they're going to teach us about what these machines do, which most people probably already know, but we'll learn some more. We get to be in them, we get to press some buttons, kind of hang out with the professionals.
Okay, take the keys out for some of these little kiddos. And some of the big kiddos too. They might want to take it for a ride. But you guys are doing a nice event this weekend.
Yeah, we're going to do an event on Saturday and Sunday, so both days. Come on out, we're going to do a hard hat giveaway.
All right.
So we've got all sorts of fun stuff happening. So one of them being a sand activity. So we're going to build some sand castles. So we're going to scoop our sand into our mold, our cup here.
So does it go, which cup?
This one.
This
the purple one, yep.
Okay.
And then we're going to use our double cup to kind of smush it all in there, make sure it's nice and compact.
So am I filling this up with sand?
1 scoop, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a screen inside of it. You can keep going.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going.
You can keep going.
I am anti-screen.
So now put the screen in.
And then we're going to put 1 screen in, and then we'll put another scoop, kind of tamp it down a little bit.
Okay.
And then we're going to see the difference between just like a normal sandcastle and one that is more mechanically structured by adding that screen in there.
Put another screen in?
Yep, put another screen in, yep.
Okay, another scoop after that?
Yep.
Where did you get this sand? From a golf course? It looks like golf course sand.
It is. It's play sand.
Okay. I know a lot about the sand at a golf course.
I like the fact that you just know. Like, I recognize this sand.
It looks like it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 screens here.
5 screens, so keep going.
Keep going.
We're gonna build it all the way up.
And we said this activity will be available this weekend.
This weekend.
And this can be any age group.
Yep. Whether you're a kid at heart or an actual kid, you can come hang out with us and do all of our activities.
Okay.
Why are you so loud over there?
Because I'm aggressive with it. I'm an excavator.
I'm trying to figure out. I mean, I'm taking
it seriously.
I'm doing it silently.
Hush.
And I'm like, am I doing this wrong?
What construction site are you on? Like, especially right by our station.
Oh, yeah. I guess you got a good point.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. I'm passionate, Stephen. I'm a passionate excavator.
I see. Okay, so number 5.
Number 5, and then we're going to do 1 more scoop right on top of that, and we'll kind of fill it up all the way to the top.
I was kind of worried, Amanda, that this was, it was a little too much, but it seems like it's just right.
This is going to be just right.
She's a manager. She knows what she's doing. Come.
Okay. Just a little bit more sand there, and pack that down.
Pack that down. We want it nice and stable.
Okay.
Before we do the fun part of destroying it.
Okay.
I like it.
So what's the whole goal for this with the kids doing this activity?
So we want to inspire them to get excited about big machines, right? And then also with this one, we just want to kind of talk about one of the other kind of unsung heroes of the construction site, the sand or the soil that's underneath it, and kind of building it up. So once we've got it, what we're going to do is we're going to take our purple piece, and we're going to use this, and flip it over right on top, and then we'll set it down on top of our tray here.
Just like this.
Yep, go ahead and set it down.
All right.
Perfect. Nope, that's good. We'll pull our mold off.
Ha-ha.
The big reveal.
There we go.
Look at that.
Okay, so they came out pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do it one at a time. I'm going to have you go first.
Yes.
And we're going to kind of set this on top, and then using your fingertips, I'm going to have you kind of press down right on top and see.
Goodbye, sandcastle.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
So just press down?
Yep, we're just going to press down. We're going to see. It's pretty strong.
It is.
Yours did not crumble.
There we go.
Yeah. So those extra screens inside
putting
there.
a nice force down, too.
Yeah, those extra screens inside of there. Obviously, we're going to still have a little crumbliness, but it's stopping the sand from just like moving sideways on it so that it just pancakes like that, right? The screens stop that. So they actually will do this with bridges, and whenever you see like them building those off-ramps and stuff like that, they'll have what looks like screen material. I'm sure it's something similar to that.
Right.
And so they'll do the same thing to kind of help stabilize that earth a little bit more.
I like this because it's going to help the kiddos when they see construction happening. They'll be able to go back and remember that they did this project. Yeah,
absolutely.
Really cool. So do parents need to register kids beforehand?
Nope, it's just kind of walk up and do it as you get there. So we'll have the machines outside, we'll have activities outside and inside. A little bit of everywhere.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, Amanda, thanks so much. Really appreciate your time this morning.
Anytime.
Fun activity. Definitely. We'll be back with more Good Day. Make sure you